Well, good morning. Welcome back to the channel. The good news is we will be getting back into the cornfield this afternoon. Talked to another farmer yesterday. He shelled a little bit, about 16% moisture. So I think today we'll dry down, got a heavy dew. But this morning I went out to the local lumber yard and I bought some lumber for a project. And I'll be working on that off and on this week. I gotta get it finished by Saturday. But Saturday afternoon, I'm gonna have my 6th annual hayride at my church, and I'm gonna let y'all tag along for that. That's something that don't get done a lot anymore, and I usually do it with a truck, and I've always borrowed a trailer. But this year I have my own gooseneck flatbed, so I bought some board to build a sideboard. I'm going to borrow some hay off of Craig, and we're going to have fun. But we'll talk to you here in a little bit. So we've been getting everything ready back to the field, and pulled this white truck out, and it's got almost a load of corn, so I'm going to unload it, and we'll get back to shelling corn and talk to you then. Still sitting there. I just want to catch everybody up to speed. It's been 6 days since we were able to shell any corn. I thought I could get a bunch moved out of the bin, but the place that I'm contracted to, they load rail cars starting Friday through Sunday. So I only got one load Monday loaded out, didn't get any Tuesday, which was yesterday, and so we still got an issue with the bin. May run out of room. I think we managed, but I do have one truck coming, maybe 2. So I'm gonna fill the grain cart up. That way I'll have a truck half full when they get here. But we ought to finish this field today unless something goes wrong. Keep your fingers crossed. There is a ditch that runs down through there about a quarter way across the field, and when we get to planting or cutting, we have to split that then, split the field in half. Things. See the grain coming down out of the combine tank there. Well, we finally got a CB on these rainy days in the combine, so probably hear a lot of chatter now. Don't pay it no attention. Well, my trip to the lumber yard cost me just $2 short of $198 and some change. That was about 3 times more than I expected to spend. They say the COVID really made lumber go up. I didn't expect it to go up that much, but maybe it'll go down soon. Well, we got the grain cart full, so if we do have a truck show up, we can fill them halfway or close to halfway. Well, I'm gonna jump no red here. Had to put a battery in it this morning. Well, I made it back to the field. I've grabbed the white truck. He's just about got this corner cut out. Got old Glory flapping on her. Well, I was beginning to sweat. I am about to run out of room in the bin. Didn't think I could get all this filled. It don't like much. But I knew I wasn't going to get it all in the bin. And I was going to have to switch bins, just put a couple of 100 bushels. So I finally had a truck show up. So I'm getting some relief. And this probably won't fill him up. So he's gonna go to the bin, get the rest out, and maybe I've got another one that'll come and get some out of the bin. He done lost a mud flap. I might one day wash the windows. Just the last few rows left of this field, and we're gonna move on to another one. Looks like we gotta fix the mud flap here. So we getting moved. This field right here, and probably gonna take a while to get everything moved, and we'll talk to you here in a minute. Well, we've about got everything moved. I've got a truck to unload. I've got to load Mickey, so we're gonna call this a video. So if you made this far, thanks for watching. God bless you. If you like this video, subscribe to like it, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I've got a lot of new subscribers here the last couple of weeks. I really appreciate it. I like the comments. So I'm going to turn into the field. So until the next time.